Hey there, Fact Fusion fans. Have you ever thought about how some of the biggest events in history happened just by chance? Today, we're diving into 7 mind-blowing historical events that occurred purely due to surprising coincidences. You won't believe how these moments shaped our world. Let's get started. 1. The discovery of penicillin. Our first amazing coincidence is about the discovery of penicillin, a game changer in medicine. In 1928, Alexander Fleming, a scientist, was researching bacteria in his lab. Before going on vacation, he left his workspace in a bit of a mess. When he returned, he noticed that one of his Petri dishes, which was supposed to grow bacteria, had developed a mold that was killing the bacteria around it. This mold was Penicillium notatum, and Fleming realized it had potential as an antibiotic. He named the substance penicillin. This accidental discovery revolutionized medicine, leading to the development of antibiotics that have since saved millions of lives. If Fleming had been more meticulous about cleaning his lab, he might never have stumbled upon this life-saving mold. Sometimes, a bit of untidiness can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. 2. The Great Fire of London and the Plague. Next, let's talk about how a fire helped end a deadly disease. In 1665, London was suffering from the Great Plague, which had killed thousands of people. The city was in a state of panic as the disease spread rapidly. But in 1666, a small fire started in a bakery on Pudding Lane. Due to the dry conditions and strong winds, the fire quickly spread, becoming the Great Fire of London, which burned down a large portion of the city. While the fire was a catastrophe, destroying homes and businesses, it also had an unexpected benefit. It killed off many of the rats and fleas that carried the plague. This significantly reduced the spread of the disease, leading to the end of the epidemic. The fire also led to improvements in building regulations and firefighting techniques, shaping the modern city of London. This unexpected chain of events showed how a tragic disaster could have an unexpected silver lining, leading to the end of a deadly epidemic and the improvement of the city's infrastructure. Number 3. The invention of the microwave oven. Our third story is about a tasty coincidence involving the microwave oven. In the 1940s, Percy Spencer, an engineer working for the Raytheon Corporation, was experimenting with magnetrons, which are high-powered vacuum tubes used in radar systems. One day, while standing near an active magnetron, he noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued by this phenomenon, he decided to experiment further. He placed popcorn kernels near the device, and to his amazement, they popped. Spencer realized that the microwaves emitted by the magnetron could cook food quickly and efficiently. He and his team then worked on developing a practical microwave oven for household use. In 1947, the first commercial microwave oven was introduced, revolutionizing the way we cook. This accidental discovery turned a high-tech radar component into a kitchen staple, all because of a melted chocolate bar and a curious mind. Today, microwave ovens are found in almost every kitchen, making cooking faster and more convenient for millions of people. Number 4. The Archduke's wrong turn. Now, let's move to a moment that changed the course of history. In 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria and his wife Sophie were visiting Sarajevo. They were traveling in a motorcade when an assassination attempt failed earlier in the day. Unaware of the change in plans, the driver took a wrong turn and ended up on a street where Gavrilo Princip, one of the conspirators, was standing. Princip seized the unexpected opportunity and shot the Archduke and his wife, killing them both. This assassination is often cited as the spark that started World War I. The event set off a chain reaction of alliances and conflicts, leading to a war that involved many countries and changed the world forever. The wrong turn taken by the driver inadvertently placed the Archduke in the assassin's path, demonstrating how a single mistake can have monumental consequences. This tragic coincidence reshaped the political landscape of the early 20th century and had far-reaching effects on global history. 5. The discovery of America. Lastly, we have Christopher Columbus's famous voyage. In 1492, Columbus set sail from Spain, aiming to find a new route to Asia by traveling westward across the Atlantic Ocean. He believed that by doing so, he could reach the riches of the East Indies more directly. After weeks at sea, on October 12, 1492, Columbus and his crew sighted land, which turned out to be an island in the Bahamas. Believing he had reached the outskirts of Asia, Columbus called the inhabitants Indians. However, he had actually stumbled upon a previously unknown continent, the Americas. This accidental discovery opened up the New World to European exploration and colonization. Columbus's voyages led to significant cultural exchanges, the spread of new crops and goods, and the eventual establishment of European colonies in the Americas. While his journey did not achieve its original goal, it had a profound impact on world history, shaping the modern world as we know it. This chance encounter with a new land transformed global trade, politics, and culture forever. Number 6. The accidental invention of the X-ray. Our next story is about the accidental invention of the X-ray, a vital tool in modern medicine. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed a nearby fluorescent screen glowing, even though the rays were confined within a black cardboard box. Intrigued, Röntgen experimented further and discovered that the mysterious rays could pass through solid objects and produce images of their interiors. He named these mysterious rays X-rays. Röntgen's serendipitous discovery revolutionized medical diagnostics, allowing doctors to see inside the human body without surgery. This breakthrough has since saved countless lives by enabling the early detection and treatment of various medical conditions. What started as an unexpected observation in a laboratory became a cornerstone of modern medicine, showcasing how an accidental finding can lead to a significant scientific advancement that changes the world. Number 7. The unplanned moon landing. Finally, let's talk about the Apollo 11 mission and its unplanned moon landing. In 1969, NASA aimed to land the first humans on the moon. As the lunar module, known as the Eagle, descended towards the moon's surface, the astronauts encountered a problem. Their intended landing site was filled with large boulders, making it too dangerous to land. With fuel running low, Neil Armstrong took manual control and piloted the Eagle to a safer spot, landing with only seconds of fuel left. This unplanned maneuver led to the historic first steps on the moon by Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. The successful landing was a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to adapt under pressure. Armstrong's quick thinking turned a potential disaster into one of humanity's greatest achievements, showing how quick decisions in unexpected situations can lead to monumental successes. And there you have it, 7 incredible historical events that happened by pure coincidence. From life-saving medicines to world-changing discoveries, these moments remind us that sometimes chance plays a huge role in shaping our history. Which coincidence did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.